Come on now. Come on now. Oh, find the track. Come on now.
No, me like the one.
We know whether your pants can manage it.
But me never know him could get up back. Me like the one. How him do it at upstairs?
No, that's not how he get up. Wait, no, you have to go down the way he went down. Ready? You have to go down the way he went down. Go on. Come on. No, before he got there. Before he got there, Footy.
Don't take my feet.
Come on. You have to go down the way he went down.
Come.
You have to go down the way he went down. Go on now. No, he didn't just bend down. He went down like that. Yeah. He held his tummy like this and he was going down like that. So you have to go.
Take my feet.
Me?
You demonstrate.
Me?
Yeah.
Into this frock?
Yes.
No,
that's exactly what I wanted to demonstrate.
I'm a lady. Cannot do it into this frock.
That is funny though.
I do it for you Friday morning.
Look like he enjoyed himself.
In bad though, you can't dance.
And then you people, you say everybody have teased me about all them going like them not reach there, you know. You look like everybody does this side. Say, well, 25, I stop.
You know, as I was telling Aaron, had a production on the weekend.
Yes.
And one of the little children, she's 11 years old, her name is Gabby. Hi, Gabby. One of the parents said to her, that's Aaron's mommy. And she said, no, she can't have a child. She's too young. I love you, Gabby. I wanted to take her home, but her mother said no. So 664 is a way off. A long way off.
We're so rich,
I'm still at 24.
We're so rich.
This is mango season, folks. We know there are a lot of different kinds of mangoes in Jamaica, so we wanted you to find out the ones that we know.
Well, I don't know the difference.
What should I call?
How about that?
All right. Here are some of your responses from Facebook. Marjorie Denton from Manchester says, East Indian Julie, number 11, Robin, green skin, never heard of green skin. Millie Mango, never heard of Millie.
Well, I've never heard of Robin, green skin, or Millie Mango.
Okay, Pat, is this really a mango?
Bull seed mango, fine skin mango, never heard of it.
Bull seed?
You have a bull seed mango?
What?
Never heard of it.
Tell me about the bull seed mango.
We can see what a bull seed mango look like. Land dialogue. Google up a bull seed mango.
It's big like the Eastie, but...
I've never seen a bull seed.
Bartley Blackie from St. Catherine, banana mango.
Never heard of it.
Really?
Never heard of it.
Fine skin mango and stringy mango.
I heard of stringy mango, but I don't know what it looked like either.
Okay. What again? Dana Kalame Jones from Westmoreland, green gauge, which is otherwise called Blackie.
I hear about Blackie.
John Bellyful,
never heard of that.
Manava Dollar?
Never heard of that.
Robin?
Never heard of that.
Kerisha Higgins from St. Mary, this I've heard of. Sweetie Come Brush Me.
I hear Delia said that, but I've never heard of it.
Yeah, Bluey? Never.
Kidney?
Never.
Can't we get some pictures of these mangoes?
Camille McEwan from St. Thomas, Lover's Choice Mango.
Never heard of that.
Lady.
These are real names, or it's just people give them these names?
I guess I don't know. It's what we call them in JA. It could be cultural.
Sophia
Blessed Trail, yes.
I was asking Delia if any indigenous to us, any of these mangoes is only Jamaica alone you can find these mangoes?
I really don't know.
Okay. But mango, they are about in the world, right?
Correct. Sophia Blessed Trail from Westmoreland, Graham Hardy, Gaty Mango.
Never heard of any of those.
Ro Angela Blackie from St. Elizabeth, Bombay, Milky.
Never heard of it.
Thomas and Turpentine. Turpentine Mango?
Never heard of that.
Suck Up and Hayden, says Lloyd Williams from St. Anne.
Bees Box and Plummy?
Bees Box.
Is what, Plummy or Plummy?
I don't know.
I never heard of that.
Samuels. Gypsy Isis says there's Long Mango.
Never heard of that.
Reynolds KK from Hanover says Ready and Bass Graham.
Never heard of that.
And Starchy says Cadian Brown from Clarendon.
So the only mangoes I know would be East Indian. And apparently, not apparently, the right name is Saint Julian.
Okay.
I found that out on Thursday.
For Julie?
Yeah, Saint Julian is the right name for that one. But I've never heard of Robin, Greenskin, or Millie Mango. Never heard. You find bull seed?
Is Blackie in here? Yes,
what you find?
Blackie. She probably found something different on the bull seed.
Blackie and what? Green gauge. Okay. John Bellyful, Manava Dollar Mango. Never hear about
whatever them name though, mango just nice. Don't matter which one, give me all of them.
So how many different, what do you call them, strands, names, different?
Wallip, Nerf.
No, but seriously,
Go back to the I don't know, I can't tell you. But
and these mangoes, obviously, Like a St. Julian mango with a name St. Julian if it find in Canada, or them have a different
I don't
name?
know. Probably not. Probably not. I don't know.
A mango is a mango is a mango.
Probably
says
mango
London,
always
no?
seem very
London, you find
carbine
the
to
bull
me.
seed? Huh? I want to see what the bull seed look like.
Let's look it up. Tuesday on Smile.
And they call it a bull seed because it look like a bull.
Disaster preparedness with the Red Cross. British Council adds, I'm sorry, AIDS, forgive me.
You're not
boys in
answering.
education.
But you're not answering.
I'm trying not to
Wait,
answer,
no,
but you're still persisting.
I
The
will
thought
search out
for today,
bull
if you judge people who like words like bull seed, then you will have no time to love them. So love them and forgive them. That's from Mother Teresa.
Can somebody send me a picture of bull's seed?
We leave you this morning
Wait,
with a performance from Rossi's high student, Dante Gordon, with Kevin Downswell's Searching. Have a great Monday, everybody. Take care.
So nobody not
No,
into me
nobody. No.
I'm searching. I won't stop till I find you. I'm running. I won't stop till I touch you're my destination. You're all I've got. Nothing can deter me. I said I won't stop. If it's not you, then Lord, it's nothing. If it's not you, it's nothing at all. If it's not you, then Lord, it's nothing. It's got to be you. Oh, if it's not you, then Lord, it's nothing. It's got to be